Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rejoice. In today's video, I'll be showing you this quick tutorial on a simple girl's makeup look. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'm starting up with a little bit of moisturizer. I moisturize my face and then I move on to my sunscreen. Yeah, sunscreen next. Cause you know what, guys, this sunscreen always make my makeup pop in a certain manner. I don't understand, but sunscreen just does its job. Next, I'll be going in with my foundation. My foundation is from L'Oreal. Yeah, that's the foundation I'm using, and it's really good and it really sits on your face well, and it doesn't, you know, misbehave like Yardley. Cause like seriously guys, I don't like Yardley. Yardley usually misbehave on my face, and this one is really easy to be blended in. Really easy. Like I always tell my people, makeup is all about blending in properly. It's not about the products, it's about blending. If you can't blend, you better don't put the product because it will look away like it's better your natural skin for you to be like to put makeup that you're not blending in properly. So take your time in blending, don't rush. Yeah, so to highlight, you get a lighter shade concealer, but I'm using this shade is a little bit too high, so that's why I'm using just a little bit of it. I'm not putting too much product. And to contour my face today, I'll be using this dark shade concealer. I had to put some of it down because I can't use it directly from the tube. Then I take it with a brush, just highlight. Just a quick look, guys, no time to waste. I hope you're going alongside with me. So now I get this clear translucent powder from Maybelline. I highlight my under eyes with, that's my contours, all of my contours, yeah. And then now on this darker shade powder from Essence to set in my contours. Oh, sorry, I said in my highlights. I call it contours. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I'm setting in my contours now. I just set in my highlights with the clear powder. So now I'm setting in my contours with the dark shade. Okay, let's do something here. I'll get this orange eyeshadow to contour my cheekbone with. I just want to highlight the contours on my cheekbone a little bit. You can use a red one, a pink one, but sometimes this orange one, I like it so much. So now, as I just put it, I take my setting powder, the one I use to set my whole face, right? Yeah, take my setting powder, then I start setting. You see, or the area around my eyebrows was oily, let me say, because concealer has oil. So as I just cleaned up the concealer, but I didn't use powder on it yet. So now, as you see me putting the powder on and setting my whole face, you see the way the area around the eyes is changing, around the eyebrows changing, and it's getting dusty. So now I get my bronzer. Just get my bronzer just to highlight my cheekbones. My cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and of course my nose line, guys. So I'm using this Essence mascara, guys. You know the story about Essence mascara on TikTok? Yeah. So I got it also. The Essence mascara. The changes it does without eyelashes, without artificial eyelashes, just on your natural eyelashes. But I can see that at least makes them better. Now let's move on to the lips. I get my pencil sharpened once more. I line my lips. Usually when you line your lips, you get any color you want to do better. It appears much better. Because once you contour your lips with a brown pencil, any color you apply next, it will make it to pop and to show better. So now I'm going in with this lipstick. Like, wow, the color is just, it's not too shouty, it's not too bright, but it's just a color for a normal look. So I'm here, guys. Just look, how do I look? Ah, she's blushing. Look at me now. Wow. Makeup is just so beautiful even without lashes. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.